Hello everyone and welcome back to Zero to Graphic. In today's tutorial, you'll learn how to design a professional coffee box template from scratch using Adobe Illustrator CC. We'll create a complete packaging die line step by step, including the front panel, side panels, tuck flaps, dust flaps, glue flap, and bleed area. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a print-ready coffee box template that you can customize with your own packaging design. Let's get started! Step 1. Create a new document with an artboard size of 50 centimeters by 40 centimeters. And set the color mode to CMYK color. Step 2. Create the front panel using the rectangle tool. Set the width to 8 centimeters and the height to 15 centimeters. Step 3. Create the right side panel using the rectangle tool. Set the width to 5 centimeters and the height to 15 centimeters. Step 4. Duplicate the front panel and right side panel to create the rear panel and left side panel. Step 5. Create the top closure panel. Set the width to 8 centimeters, matching the front panel, and the height to 5 centimeters, matching the width of the side panel. Step 6. Create the top tuck flap. Set the width to 8 centimeters, matching the top closure panel. The height can vary depending on your design. In this example, use 2 centimeters. Then, use the direct selection tool to round the 2 bottom corners. Step 7. Create the dust flap. Set the width to 5 centimeters, matching the side panel. The height is flexible. In this example, use 3 centimeters. Use the direct selection tool to adjust the anchor points until you achieve the desired angled shape. Step 8. Duplicate the dust flap. Then apply Flip Horizontal to mirror it. Move the duplicated flap to the right side panel. Step 9. Duplicate the top tuck flap, top closure panel, and dust flap. Then apply Flip Vertical to mirror them. Position the duplicated objects at the bottom of the box template. Step 10. Create the glue flap. Set the height to 15 centimeters, matching the side panel. The width is flexible. In this example, use 1 centimeter. Then, use the direct selection tool to adjust the anchor points and create the desired angled shape. Step 11. Select all the objects and use the group command to combine them into a single group. Step 12. Create the bleed area by duplicating the entire box template. Apply offset path. Then use the Unite command in the Pathfinder panel to merge all the shapes into a single object. Final step. Place your coffee packaging artwork onto the box template and adjust the colors as needed to complete your design. Congratulations! You've successfully designed a professional coffee box template in Adobe Illustrator CC. Now you can customize this die line with your own branding, product information, and graphics to create a print-ready coffee packaging design. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Adobe Illustrator and packaging design tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.